Welcome to this video. This video is regarding the installation of necessary tools to visualize output on CS star. Output of the CS structure can be visualized using XP2XSF utility. This utility convert the output structure file .xp into XSF so that we can visualize that using XCrystal. And using XCrystal, we can visualize Brilliant zone using XSF file, and we can also see the high symmetry points using the same XSF file. Then projected density of states can be visualized or can be converted. So for that, FMP-DOS utility will be utilized. Similarly, for band structure, GNU bands and EIG FAT to plot utilities are used. For charge density plots, we will use denture utility. For a dielectric function, we will use optical and the optical input executable. For phonon spectrum, we will use FCBuild and Vibra utilities. And here it is a link of YouTube video in which you can see that how we can plot phonon spectrum using FCBuild and Vibra utilities. So let us start. So go to the CS star directory where we have already installed it. So here there is a directory named util. So go inside the util, and here there are so many utilities like bands, about which I am going to talk about denture, then contrib, optical, and Vibra. This contrib contains some utilities given by two persons. I am going to talk about the utilities given by Andrei Postnikov. I have already compiled all these utilities. Say here EIG to BXSF, FMP DOS, MD to AXSF, RO to AXSF, BIP to XSF, and XP to XSF. So I am going to talk about here these two utilities. So XP to XSF is used to convert file from XP to XSF format so that we can visualize that output in the XCrystal, and where XCrystal is used to see the structure, to visualize the Brillouin zone of that particular structure, and then we are able to plot the high symmetry lines or high symmetry points. Then FMP DOS is another utility which is used to plot the projected density of states, right? So how these utilities are compiled? All these utilities are compiled using this script. You simply do one thing, that you simply write down this and build all that SHA, and in few minutes all these files will be compiled properly, right? So if I go to the denture, so denture contains SRC, and inside SR there is a utility named denture, and using this denture we can plot the charge density of states. In later lectures I am going to talk about how these utilities or the tools will work. And similarly, if I go to the bands, then it contains GNU bands and EIG FAT to plot. So if we want to run this GNU Bands utility from anywhere, then what you have to do, you have to copy this GNU Bands utility from here to user local and then using super user command, right? So you have to give this command. So now from everywhere you can give a command GNU Bands, right? This is a way that how, but in the later lecture I will tell you that how band structure will be plotted and the projective density of states will be plotted. Similarly, you have to copy every executable from here to the user local bin, so that from everywhere you can run these utilities. So I talk about this, and then let us go to the optical. So in optical there are two utilities, one is the optical and another is optical underscore input. Then let me go to the another, it's Vibra. So inside here it is Fcbuild and here it's a Vibra. So here I talk about that how these tools are installed, and I talk about some necessary tools and for what purpose those tools have been used. So thanks for watching this video.